Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to open the IPYNB file on Windows. So IPYNB files are basically the Jupyter Notebook files that you can open with specific tools. For example, if you have a VS Code, you can just go simply right click and open with VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code, and it will open in the VS Code. So file has opened in the VS Code. Now if you do not have a VS Code, what you can do is you can simply go to the browser, and within the browser search for Colaboratory and it will open this website where you can upload the notebook. So I can just go browse and choose the desktop and choose the file and open. So you can see the file has opened, and you can watch the entire content. So these are the two easiest way to open the IPYNB file or the Jupyter Notebook file on Windows. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.